Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the brand new Boost Mobile Samsung Galaxy, A as in Apple 03S. So I got this from the Best Buy for $59.99 plus the tag. So this one's the 6.5-inch HD plus display, 13 to 2 megapixel main camera, and 5 megapixel front camera. And internal storage is the 32 gigabyte with the 3 gigabyte of RAM, 2.0 gigahertz of processor. Wow, 5,000 milliamp battery. That is pretty good. Says SIM card included. So it says pick a plan. So unfortunately, they didn't have the $10 plan that was offered on the website and limited time only. So I finally came in. It's supposed to take about 2 to 3 days to get it. But the 4th of July, so it took a little bit longer. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see. Oh. Wow, it's pretty big. Come with a quick start guide and term and condition. Come with a charging cable, SIM card ejector tool. Unfortunately, it didn't come with the charging brick. So I had to get a charging brick. So this one is the fingerprint reader, up and down volume rocker, triple camera with the LED flash. It's a special texture right here on the backing. And you got the front 5 megapixel right here. It's a microphone. Got the microphone and speaker and a 3.5 millimeter jack. So right here is the SIM card right here. Okay, so SIM card included, so that's in the back right here. Oh, even come with another SIM card jack tool inside here. Huh. So in case you have an older phone, come with the regular SIM. So there's 3 SIM cards in one. There's another one right here. This one is the nano SIM. Oh, so nano SIMs right here. I guess this one you can insert another memory card. keep this just in case. Well, there you go. Anyway, I need to set this up and also set up the voicemail and everything. So, and their email. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.